Hello, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. We look forward to working with you. A few things you can do to help prep for our arrival. First, if you want to back your cars out of the driveway, that allows us to pull our van in, and then we're going to need some space to stage some of our materials and cut pipe and so forth out in the garage. If you do not have a garage, we may try to do it down the basement, or if weather permits, we'll do it outside or in the driveway. If your install is scheduled to take place over several days, we'll try to move some of our equipment to the side of the garage so you can pull in overnight. Next, we ask that you clear a path from either the garage or the nearest entry point to the basement. That will allow us to set up drop cloths, set up a staging area in the basement for some of our tools. We also ask that you clear out anything that may be in our way. Typically we need access to the sump basket if you have that, any floor to wall joints that need to be sealed, any block tops. If we talked about running pipe through a closet, please make sure that closet is cleared out ahead of time. And then we'll also need access to the scuttle hole to get up into the attic. You don't have to be home for your radon mitigation installation as long as we have access to the house. We will be using power tools and have a shop vac running, so it will be rather noisy. The majority of our time will be spent in the basement. There typically isn't any dust created during the mitigation process, and we aim to leave your home cleaner than we found it. If you have questions about your installation, feel free to give us a call. I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. We look forward to working with you. We aim to clean your home, leave your home. We aim to clean and we aim to leave your home cleaner than we found it. Boom! Got it.
There we go.